In this video, I share my personal journey of how Python transformed my plant science research, reshaping the way I approach data analysis, bioinformatics, and genome scale studies. As plant science research increasingly generates large and complex datasets, from genomic sequences to gene expression profiles, traditional manual methods quickly became limiting. Learning Python provided me with a powerful, flexible, and reproducible framework to manage, analyze, and visualize biological data efficiently. In this talk, I explain how Python helped me automate routine tasks, extract and process data from biological databases such as NCBI, perform sequence analysis, and integrate tools for phylogenetics, motif discovery, and genome-wide gene family analysis. I also discuss how Python libraries like BioPython, Pandas, NumPy, and Matplotlib enabled deeper insights into plant genomes, improved research accuracy, and significantly reduced analysis time. Beyond technical skills, Python changed my research mindset by encouraging logical thinking, problem-solving, and reproducible science. This video is aimed at plant science students, early career researchers, and anyone curious about bridging biology with programming. Whether you are working in genomics, molecular biology, breeding, or computational plant science, this journey highlights how learning Python can open new research possibilities, enhance analytical confidence, and prepare you for modern, data-driven plant biology.